Did you know that over 1 in 3 women travelers say they've skipped spiritual retreats due to safety concerns? In a country known for its ancient wisdom, finding women friendly ashrams can feel like navigating a spiritual maze. But things are changing. Today, India offers safe sanctuaries where women not only feel protected but deeply empowered. These ashrams, often run by visionary women gurus or inclusive communities, are reshaping the spiritual map of India. Watch till the end to discover peaceful places where your journey inward can begin without fear. 1. Amritpuri Ashram, Kerala, led by Amma, the Hugging Saint. Perhaps the most famous woman guru in the world, Mata Amritanandamayi, affectionately known as Amma, has created a vibrant spiritual community in Kerala. Known as the Hugging Saint, Amma offers solace to millions through her compassionate embrace. Located on the serene backwaters of Kerala, Amritpuri is home to Mata Amritanandamayi, globally known as Amma. Her warm, motherly embrace has drawn millions. This ashram is deeply rooted in love, seva, selfless service, and equality. Women volunteers, seekers, and devotees safely reside here, often participating in humanitarian work and daily meditation. What to expect? Bhajans, meditation, seva, simple dormitory or private rooms. Cost, donation-based. Meals and accommodation from $5 to $15 per day. 2. Sri Sarada Math, Kolkata, inspired by Sri Sarada Devi. With over 40 branches across India, its headquarters in Kolkata is deeply rooted in Vedantic tradition and women's empowerment. This all-women monastic order was inspired by Sri Sarada Devi, the spiritual consort of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. It's a heaven for women monastics and laywomen seeking inner strength through devotion and study. This math monastery emphasizes purity, simplicity, and silent strength. What to expect? Silent prayer halls, Vedic chanting, and scriptural study. Cost, modest donations, accommodation and food typically under $10 per day. 3. Shakti Sadhana Kendra, Himachal Pradesh. Shaktipeeth Ashram is a modern spiritual sanctuary built on ancient Tantric and Vedic traditions. Founded by Swamini Ma Ananda Giri, the ashram blends mantra, meditation, and energy practices focused on awakening Shakti, divine feminine power. Safety is prioritized with all-women dorms, CCTV, and full-time female staff. It's a place where seekers learn to own their power and reclaim their voice through guided transformation. Nestled in the Himalayas, this lesser-known gem offers women-centered spiritual programs blending tantra, yoga, and goddess worship. Led by female sadhikas, practitioners, it holds powerful retreats for healing and feminine awakening. It's peaceful, empowering, and safe. What to expect? Shakti-based rituals, yoga, breathwork, and mountain walks. Cost, retreats range from $200 to $600 per week, depending on season and room type. 4. Anandamayi Ma Ashram, Kankhal, Haridwar. Dedicated to the mystic Anandamayi Ma, this ashram continues to nurture female seekers. With a focus on bhakti, devotion, chanting, and simplicity, it draws women of all ages from around the world. It's especially known for its tranquility and deeply devotional energy. Run by her women devotees, the ashram is extremely welcoming to female seekers, offering simple yet clean stays, daily prayers, and a serene atmosphere near the Ganga. You won't find loud courses or yoga studios here, just the unmistakable energy of peace and motherly grace that Ma Anandamayi carried effortlessly. What to expect? Temple time, bhajans, silent mornings, and simple accommodation. Cost, donations encouraged, estimated $5 to $20 per day including food and lodging. 5. Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, Women's Wing, Coimbatore. Run by Swamini Swatma Vidyananda, a student of Swami Dayanand Saraswati, This center offers women equal access to the deep study of Vedanta. Safe, intellectually rich, and rooted in tradition, it's ideal for those who want both clarity and community. What to expect: Vedanta lectures, Sanskrit study, and guided meditation. Cost: suggested donations or course-based fees from $100 to $400 per month. 6. Mata Amritanandamayi's Women's Retreats International. Besides her Kerala base, Amma's organization conducts all-women retreats across India and abroad. These safe and intensive programs are focused on healing, empowerment, and service. Attendees often report life-changing emotional breakthroughs. What to expect: workshops, spiritual talks, yoga, community support. Cost: $50 to $200 depending on location and duration. 7. Yogini Ashram, Pune. This unique ashram was established specifically to revive yogini traditions, the ancient lineages of female yogic masters. With a blend of tantra, Devi worship, and yoga therapy, it welcomes only women for immersive spiritual and healing retreats. What to expect: feminine spiritual practices, journaling, rituals, and forest walks. Cost: $100 to $500 per week, depending on facilities and depth of program. 8. Sri Pitha Nilaya, Maharashtra, inspired by Divine Mother. Though open to all, this ashram places strong emphasis on the divine feminine. Founded by Paramahamsa Vishwananda, it hosts women-led meditations and bhakti yoga sessions. Many female travelers report feeling exceptionally safe and supported here. What to expect: kirtans, om chanting, darshan, devotional art. Cost: $15 to $40 per day with accommodation and Satwik meals. 9. Srimad Rajchandra Ashram, Dharampur, Gujarat. A modern ashram rooted in Jain values of non-violence and purity, it offers powerful silent retreats. Women from around the world come here for peace, reflection, and volunteer work. The environment is ultra-safe, clean, and ideal for beginners. What to expect: silence, seva, meditation, and organic food. Cost: retreats start from $100 to $300, often including full stay and meals. These ashrams aren't just spiritual pit stops, they're sanctuaries of safety, self-discovery, and growth. In a world where many women feel spiritually orphaned, these places offer sisterhood and sacredness in equal measure. Whether you're healing from trauma, seeking clarity, or simply craving silence, there's a home for you in India. If you felt inspired by this journey through India's sacred spaces, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to Yogic Chronicles, share this video, and leave a comment about where you'd like to go or where you've been. Your voice helps build this community of seekers safely and powerfully. See you in the next one. Namaste.